Question 3. 4 years later, Alan will be 4 times as old as Jack. Alan is 24 years older than Jack now. So find the boy's age now. Okay, so let's draw our model first. We know that in 4 years' time, Alan will be 4 times as old as Jack. So Alan will have 4 units, while Jack has 1 unit. And we know that Alan is 24 years older than Jack now. So the thing about age is that everyone's age will increase at the same speed. So if Alan is 24 years older than Jack now, 4 years later, Alan is still 24 years older than Jack. So this is an identical difference question. So this difference here is 24. So from this model drawing, we can tell that 3 units actually represents 24. So we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 24 divided by 3, and this gives us 8. So the question wants to know the boy's age now. So let's calculate Jack's age first. Jack's age now. So we know that this model is in 4 years' time. So Jack's age in 4 years' time is 1 unit. So now he would be 8 minus 4. And this gives us 4. And let's calculate Alan's age now. And this would be 4 units. So 4 times 8 minus 4, because 4 years' time. And this gives us 32 minus 4, which is equals to 28. So this is your 2 final answers.